Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are solving our next problem, moving all the negative element to the one side of the array. Let's move to the problem statement. In this problem we are given an unsorted array having both negative and positive integer. The task is to place all negative element at the one end of the array without changing the order of positive element and negative element. Suppose the array is this. After placing positive element first and then negative element, then the output will be this. Let's move to the whiteboard to understand the problem more clearly. Suppose we are given an array like this, 0, -2, -7, 5, -4 and 8. So we have to return the new array like this. First we have to write 0, then 5, that means all the positive element write first, then 8. After that we write all the negative element in the same order that appears in the original array. So first -2 comes, then -7 comes, then -4 comes. This is the output of the array. So we cannot do that. So we cannot write like this, -7 first and -2 first. We have to write in the order. That means -2 comes first before -7. So we have to write -2 first and then we write -7. So -2 first and then -7. So this is the correct order. So let's understand how to solve this problem. Let's erase it up. So what we can do, we create two array. One is positive, two array. One is positive and one is negative. We take a pointer over here. Let's say I. So whenever we encounter a positive element, so we insert it into the positive array, and whenever we encounter a negative element, we insert that element into our negative array. Let's say how this approach works. So we our pointer is at 0th index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our pointer is at a 0th index, so the element is 0, which is positive, so we insert inside the positive array, so it positive will this. Now we increment the pointer by 1, so pointer will reach over here. So again -2 is coming, which is negative, so we insert this element into our negative array. So -2 comes here. Now increase the pointer by 1. So pointer will reach over here. -7 will be coming, which is negative. So we insert this element into our negative element in negative array. So -7 comes here. Now increase the pointer by 1. So our pointer reach over here. Now 5 is coming because 5 is positive, so it will insert it into our positive array. So 5 will comes over here. Now we increase the pointer by 1, so pointer will reach over here. Now -4 is coming because it is negative element, so we insert into our negative array. So -4 is comes over here. Now we increase the pointer by 1, pointer reach over here. Now array value is 8, which is positive. We insert it into our positive array. So now increase the pointer because it reaches the end. Our for loop is terminated. Now what we can do, um, let's erase it. Oh wait, so we have to write first all the positive element in our array. So we first write 0, then 5, then 8. After that we write -2, all the element of negative array, -2, -7, and then -4. So this is the correct output of the problem.
What is the issue?
Let's move to the implementation part.
Or we can say,
Let's check two array, positive, comma negative. Take a loop, int is equal 0, I should less than ARR of size. I
what's the
should be
problem in
incremented.
this?
If ARR of I are lesser than 0, then negative dot push underscore back ARR of I, submit it up. As if ARR of I are greater than 0, so pause dot, there is an issue, push underscore back ARR of I. So idx is what, 0. Take a loop, I is equal to 0, I should less than pose dot size, I should be incremented, then ARR of idx is equals to pose of I. Now again take a loop, for int I is what, 0, I should let, and here we have to increment our idx as well. So I is what, 0, I should less than neg dot size, I should be incremented, and ARR of idx is equals to neg of I, and idx should be incremented. Let's compile it. It gives the correct output. Let's submit it up. It gives an error. What's the error is that? Oh, we have equals to it because the positive element 0 is also considered the positive element. Let's submit it up. It works perfectly. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.